Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is August the 16th, 2020. This video right here is going to be an update for Litecoin. Last video we did for Litecoin was July the 29th, 2020. You guys can see our expectations and what the market trap has done since that time frame. This is his performance, and we was pretty much precise in our analysis for his ideas. Now, for you, give us your prediction about Litecoin over the next couple of days, 2 weeks, and let us know where you think Litecoin is going to be. Where is it headed? Give us a comment in the comment section. And again, you appreciate our videos, our content that we are producing. Hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's that simple to make sure that you stay ahead of the game and ahead of everyone else, to not be confused. That's what we're all about. So now, let's look at the performance of the trap versus our forecast. We did our video on Litecoin all the way back here on the 29th of July. Our video, we talked about seeing the market in Litecoin increase in value. That has occurred. We saw the market in Litecoin grab that ultimate TP out our forecast right there, maybe about 4 days since we did our video on August the 2nd, 2020. 14.75% bagged in your pockets based off our forecast that was generated about 3 days prior. It's that easy. So that is done and over with. So it's time to get rid of it. And now it's time for that update in the market in Litecoin. First, let's straighten up this price chart because the market looks kind of ragged compared to our ascending line that we had drawn on our chart. Is it still applicable? It's the question that needs to be addressed. And right now, based on how the market in Litecoin has been trading since our last video, it doesn't look applicable right now. The trend in Litecoin has definitely increased based off of this right here. So we're in a stronger uptrend than where we were at previously on our last video in Litecoin. Plain as day, you can see it. So many altcoins paired against the dollar is seeing monumental strength right now, and it doesn't seem to slow down right now because many altcoins, cryptocurrencies that is paired against the USD is showing continual strength. Now, there are areas of some restriction that needs to be addressed. Now, for Litecoin's position, its restriction level is at $65. That's where it's at. So we're around $63 right now. $62.50 is where we're at. So we're not that far from restriction. Keep that in mind. You can see here from a historical standpoint that the market in Litecoin doesn't like to break above 65 cents. We tried it in Litecoin back in the beginning of November 2019. We tried it again beginning of January 2020, once again in March of 2020, and now we are back again. Now this is what this day means right there. August the 2nd was the attempt of the market trapper to break above $65, and it got rejected. But the market did not necessarily react negatively to it. We just maintained consolidational trading. So you can see how the market trap is going to try once again to break above $65. So based off this volume that you see down here, is definitely increased from what we saw in June and July. It has. So what's going on? Well, the trap is filling his tank up with gas in order to break above that $65 level, period. Okay. So daily time frame, the market in Litecoin still looks healthy. Looking at Litecoin from a weekly standpoint looks even better. The strength into the market in Litecoin definitely looks to break above $65. We're going to go with that forecast in the long term. Reason being, it's because of the weakness that came through the last 2 weeks. But you know what? The trap bought up as much as that Litecoin as he possibly could because he wants to see price go above $65. It's that simple. So on this particular forecast package, we will play some strength into the market in Litecoin. Now, when you look at the chart on a monthly perspective in Litecoin, $80 is the true area of restriction for the long-term view. $80. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Litecoin, especially if we could break this area of $65 where we're trading at right now. Man, it's not going to be a problem for the market in Litecoin to at least come to around $73.50 to $80. Not a problem at all. And if the overall cryptocurrency space continues to see the bullishness that we see right now, $100 not even going to be an issue. Okay. So for this particular video on the forecast, we are going to continue to play the strength into the market in Litecoin. Let's go ahead and create our forecast. So we're right here. Okay. Now, I do like to see the market. I would like to see it hold support at 60. That's even better. But we're going to extend it down just a tad lower to around $57.50. Okay. Give us a little leeway, a little cushion, just in case the market wants to take a big dump. So the strength into the market is what we're going to play with, and we will TP this cryptocurrency right there around $65.25, right here around our restriction area of $65. Okay, we will do that. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. We're going to TP the market at 65. We're going to continue to watch this market trade alongside this ascending line, but I'm going to extend it up a little bit higher towards $67.50. All right. So this is our forecast. We want to know what yours is. Tell us. Give us your prediction, higher, lower, and give us a price point. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'm out.